You ready, bro?
Hell yeah.
Let's go, bro.
That's the car we're in.
Here he comes. He's good. He's good. So close to the gas station. Go down there. He's go down there. I think so.
No way you could get me pushing him in my suit too.
He's down there and he ran out of gas.
Okay, Andy, you back up.
Hey! Hey!
What happened? I'm out of gas.
Do you need to fill up?
I'll make it all.
They're laughing. Go, go. Ah! Sumakalalikalo!
Everyone's always cutting me. Everyone's cutting
Pull up beside him. That's the best shots we get. This is awesome. Just don't get hit, man. Don't get hit. He's not gonna get hit. Unless he runs out of gas. Woo! How was it, bro?
Pretty fun.